Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, as you know, that we were doing chapter number 17 from your maths book, which is a sum up of all the chapters from 1 to 16. Okay, and now we are going to start with some more sums from the same chapter number 17. Okay, so the next now question from chapter number 17 is, that is 53. So now we are going to start with question number 53. Sorry. So the question number 53, that is given at page number 196. So the topic is chapter number 17. Okay. So here the question is, find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 13 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 12 centimeter long. Okay. So here we have to find the perimeter of a triangle. देखिए उन्होंने in this question they have just simply given the measurements and the type of diagram is it. तो देखिए diagram किस तरह की है. The diagram is of a triangular shape and its sides are given, that is 13 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So these are the three sides of a triangle. Okay. So now देखिए इस question में as you can see there is no diagram is given. So the first thing that we have to do, that we have to draw the diagram by ourselves only. Okay, so first of all we are going to draw the diagram ourselves and then we are going to write the measurements. Then again the next one is we are going to name the figure and then we will find out the perimeter of that triangle. Okay. So let's start with the question. So देखिए find the perimeter of a triangle. So देखिए there doesn't have whether it's isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, acute कौन सा triangle है, isosceles है, equilateral है, कोई भी triangular की form नहीं दी है उन्होंने. So you can draw any type of triangle. Okay, but just make sure that should be a triangle only. Okay. So now I'm drawing a triangle here. Question number is 53. Here it is a triangle. The triangle is here and its measurements are given 13 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Okay, 13 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 12 centimeter. So these are the measurements of a triangle. So देखिए हमारे पास question दिया हुआ था but there is no such diagram was given. So first thing is that we have to draw the diagram. Then we will write down the measurements of all the sides, 13 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Next we have to find the perimeter of a triangle. So now we have to find its perimeter. So for finding its perimeter, first of all we are going to name this triangle. So सबसे पहले हम we are going to name this figure. So you can choose any name to give this to whatever you want to give. So I'm just taking a as random name, that is M and O. Okay. So I'm taking it as M N O. Okay. So this is the just a random name I have given to this triangle, that is triangle M N O. Okay. Now, we have to find its perimeter. The question was that we have to find the perimeter of the given triangle whose measurements is given. So, what is perimeter? The perimeter is the sum total of all the sides or the sum total of all the lengths of a given triangle. Okay. So, perimeter is the sum total of all the sides of the length of all the sides of the given फिगर, चाहे वो ट्राइंगल हो, क्वाड्रिलेटर हो, स्क्वायर हो, रेक्टेंगल हो, whatever it is, but it should be a closed figure only, and it is made up of it should be a polygon, okay, or you can say it must be a polygon. It should be a closed figure, closed polygon. Clear? So let's find out the perimeter. So for finding the perimeter, we will add all the sides of this given triangle. So let's find out perimeter of triangle MNO. We have to find the perimeter of triangle MNO. We have to find its perimeter. So let's add the sides of all these MN. First of all, we are going to write the name of the sides. The first is MN, second is NO, plus next OM. So these are the three sides of a given triangle, MN, NO and OM. So these are the three sides of this given triangle. So next we are going to write the measurements of this given triangle. So iski measurements kya hai? First of all, we are going to write it MN. So what is the measurement of MN? So MN is 8 centimeter plus NO. NO is 12 centimeter plus OM. OM is 13 centimeter. So this is the measurements of all the three sides of this given triangle MN, that is 8 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Okay. So this is the measurements of all the three sides of the given triangle. Okay, so let's find out the perimeter. So now for finding its perimeter, we are going to add all the three sides. Okay, so let's add, that is 8 plus 12, 20, 20 plus 13, that is 33. Okay, that is 33. So 33 is what? 33 will be in centimeter. 33 will be in centimeter, because the measurements of all the three sides is given in centimeter. Therefore, perimeter will also be in the centimeter only. So this is 33 centimeter. Okay. So this is the perimeter. So at last we will write the solution sentence. Therefore, perimeter of triangle MNO is 33 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of triangle MNO is 33 centimeter. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 53 from your book, given at page number 196. So you can just pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Chaliye, moving next to question number 54 of the same chapter and from the same page. The question number is 54. The question number 54 is, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose sides are 14 meter and 12 meter long. Okay, so here the question is given. The question can, now we have to find the perimeter only. Okay, so now we have to find the perimeter. अब हमें perimeter ही ढूंढना है. Okay, whose sides, okay, of a rectangle. So देखिए इससे पहले जो हमने question किया था, in that we have to find the perimeter of a triangle. Now we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So let's find the perimeter of a rectangle whose sides are 14 meter and 12 meter. Okay, so these are the sides of a rectangle. So let's find out the perimeter. Okay, So देखिए now the question is given, देखिए सिर्फ measurements of the rectangle is given but no diagram is given. So first thing, अगर हमारे किसी भी question में all the explanation was given, the shape of the figure is given, the measurement of the figure is given but the figure is not given, तो हम क्या करेंगे, in that we will ourselves, हम खुद जो है figure को draw करेंगे. Clear? So let's draw the figure. So now we have to, as in the question it is given, it is a rectangle. So I have drawn a rectangle. Okay. So rectangle, देखिए rectangle की देखिए size कितनी है 4. But here the measurement is 14 meter and 12 meter. But measurement उन्होंने सिर्फ दो दिए 14 meter and 12 meter. Why? But a rectangle has 4 sides. तो देखिए इसमें हम क्या करेंगे बेटा, तो देखिए इसमें क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है, measurements दी हुई है, no doubt they have given the measurements, but the one thing that is very important, it's a rectangle and the opposite sides of a rectangle is always equal. The opposite sides of a rectangle is always equal. So that means if this is 14 meter, this will also be 14 meter. If this is 14 meter, this will also be 14 meter. And if this is 12 meter, this will also be 12 meter. Okay, तो देखिए अगर एक साइड 14 है तो ऑपोजिट, देखिए ऑपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल. Okay, if the one side is 14, other will also be 14, and if this is 12, this will also be 12, because the reason behind it, the opposite sides of a rectangle is always equal. Now the next is, okay, तो देखिए क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ डायग्राम वाज नॉट गिवन, हमने ड्रॉ कर ली. देन वी हैव रिटन द मेजरमेंट्स. सो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज, नाउ वी हैव टू, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू नेम दिस फिगर. सो यू कैन टेक एनी रैंडम नेम और एनी रैंडम अल्फाबेटिकल नेम्स you can choose for this rectangle. So I am just choosing S A R L. Okay, S A R L. Okay, so I am using S A R L. So this is, देखिए मैंने जरूरी नहीं है कि हम, देखो मैंने इसका आपको मैम एक S है, एक R है, एक L है. ओके, तो एक ए है. देखिए यू कैन चूज एनी अल्फाबेट, यू कैन डिनोट एनी वर्टेक्स ऑफ दिस एनी गिवन फिगर, द क्लोज फिगर की कोई भी वर्टेक्स को आप कोई भी नेम अल्फाबेट से डिनोट कर सकते हो. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि सिर्फ आपको वो अल्फाबेट पी के ओ आर एस या सीरीज में ही चलना है, तो यू कैन चूज एनी नेम. नाउ वी हैव टू, द नेक्स्ट इज वी हैव टू फाइंड द पैरीमीटर. सो पैरीमीटर, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड the perimeter of rectangle. Now we have to find the perimeter of rectangle SARL. SARL. Now we have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay, in spite of writing RECTAN, you can make the rectangle as well, small rectangle. ये एक symbol होता है. Rectangle SARL. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle SARL, ये हमें ढूंढना है. Okay, so next for finding the perimeter we will add the length of all the sides of the given figure. तो लेंथ क्या है, अलग अलग साइड्स, जो इसकी चारों साइड्स की अलग अलग क्या लेंथ है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट द साइड्स, दैट इज SA plus AR plus RL. नेक्स्ट थोड़ा सा इधर करके लिखते हैं इसको. अगेन आई एम राइटिंग द साइड्स, दैट इज SA plus AR plus RL plus LS. So these are the 4 sides of the given rectangle. The next step is we will write its measurement. So हम क्या लिखेंगे? Now we will write its measurement. So let's write its measurement. SA. What is the measurement of SA? SA is 14 meter. AR is 12 meter plus RL. RL is again 14 meter plus LS. LAC again 12 meter. So these are the four sides of a given rectangle, that is 14 meter, 12 meter, 14 meter and 12 meter. तो देखिए दो sides इसकी जो opposite sides हैं वो equal होती है. So that's why their measurement will also be same. Now let's add them all. Okay, for finding its perimeter we are going to add them all. 14 plus 12 plus 14 plus 12, and this part we will do in the rough. Okay, so this calculation we are going to do in the rough part only. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Okay, 10 plus 2, 12. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 52. That is 52. So the perimeter of the rectangle SAR is 52 what? 52 meter, because all the measurements of all the sides is given in meter. So therefore the perimeter will also be in the meter only. Okay. That is 52 meter. 52 meter. तो हम नीचे लिखेंगे therefore, solution sentence, therefore perimeter of rectangle, therefore perimeter of rectangle SARL is 52 meter. Therefore perimeter of rectangle SARL is 52 meter. So this is the measurements of, this is the perimeter of this given question. Okay, so the question was given in which we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, and its measurement was given. तो हमने उसकी जो diagram draw करके measurements लिख के, then after we have given the name of the rectangle, and after then we have find its perimeter, that is 52 meter. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 54. Okay, so all of you can just pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, now moving next to question number 55. Okay, so the question number 55. A boy goes 3 times round a rectangular field whose sides are 25 meter and 19 meter long. How much distance does he cover? तो देखिए बिल्कुल इसी की तरह है, बस इसमें थोड़ा सा चेंज है. That I will explain you while with this sum. Okay, so in the question it is given, एक लड़का है. Okay, so there is a boy who was jogging, और क्या कह लीजिए वो रनिंग कर रहा था. He is running around a rectangular field. एक rectangular shape के field में he was running around. Okay. Okay, and the measurement of that rectangular field is 25 meter and 19 meter. So this is the measurement of that rectangular field. So 25 meter and 19 meter long. 25 meter is the width and 19 meter is long, means the length. Now how much distance does he cover? तो हमें बताना है कि उसने कितना distance cover किया. Okay, so in the 3 rounds. तो देखिए अगर एक रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड है ये. ओके, इसके चारों साइड किसी ने 3 बार चक्कर लगाया, तो हमें बताना है कि दैट हाउ मच डिस्टेंस डज ही कवर्ड. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज, देखिए 1 डिस्टेंस अगर वो 1 राउंड लगा रहा है, सो दैट मीन्स ही इज मतलब इफ वी विल फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ दैट रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड, तो हमें पता लग जाएगा कि एक सर्कल में, सॉरी एक राउंड में हाउ मच डिस्टेंस ही इज कवरिंग. सो इफ ही इज कवरिंग, we can find the total distance that he is covering in 1 round of that rectangular field. Okay, so that we can find with the perimeter. Okay, but हमें बताना कि how many in the 3 rounds. उसने 3 राउंड्स में कितने डिस्टेंस कवर किया, सो दैट अगर हमारे पास 1 निकलेगा तो हमें 3 में इजिली निकालना होगा, मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विथ 3. So let's again, first of all, we will draw the diagram here. So let's draw the diagram. Okay, so boy goes round 3 times around a rectangular field. Okay, so the shape of the field is given, that is in rectangular shape. Again, rectangular field is here. Okay, and the measurement is 25 meter and 19 meter. 25 meter and 19 meter. This is the length of that rectangular field. So this is the measurement. The rectangular field is, so that means the opposite sides of that rectangular field will be equal. Okay, हमारे पास एक rectangular field है, so इसकी जो opposite sides होंगी, that will be equal. So if it is 25 meter, this will also be 25 meter. And if this is 19 meter, this will also be 19 meter. Okay, so देखिए एक साइड है that is given 25 meter, another was 19 meter, and it is a rectangular field, so that means the opposite sides of that field will be the measurements of opposite sides of that field will be equal. Okay, 25, if it is 25, this will also be 25. If it is 19, this will also be 19 only. Clear? Next. Okay, so we have drawn the diagram, we have written the measurements. The next step is that we have to write the what? Next we have to write its what we call it? The next we have to write its so then we have to name this diagram. Sorry. Now we are going to name this diagram. So you can choose any name. Okay. So SHUM. SHUM. Okay. So now I have given this rectangular field the name that I have given, that is SHUM. SHUM. So this is the name that I have given. Now let's find its perimeter. तो perimeter find out करने के लिए what will we do? We will find the perimeter. Okay, so we will add the length of all the sides. So let's find out the perimeter. Perimeter of rectangular field SHUM. Perimeter of rectangular field SHUM is equal to, so उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We will write the length, we will add the length of all the different line segments of this given figure. So first of all we will write the name of this, all the line segments that are here. The first is SH plus HU. Next is HU, third. Next is UM plus MS. So these are the sides of, so these are the names of all the sides of that given rectangle. The first is SH, then HU, then UM, and then MS. So these are the names of all the sides of that given triangle. Sorry, of this given rectangular field. Now we will write the measurements of its field. That is SH. SH is 25 meter plus HU. HU is 19 meter plus UM. UM is again 25 meter. The last is MS. MS is 19 meter. So these are the measurements of all the 4 sides of this rectangular field, that is 25, 19, 25, 19. तो देखिए 25, 19, 25, 19 दी हुई है हमें, because the two opposite sides of a given rectangle is equal, so that's why their measurement will also be same. Next, for finding its perimeter, we will add all the measurements of all these four sides of the rectangle. So that is 25 plus 19, 25 plus 19. So 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 9, 28. So we will write 8 here, 2 here. Okay, 2 plus 2, 4, plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So that is 88 is equal to 88 watt. The measurements is given in meters, so here the perimeter will also be in meter. So this is perimeter of this rectangular field, that is 88 meter. Okay, 88 meter is the perimeter of this rectangular field. Okay, so this 88 meter perimeter means one round. The total distance that one is covering, that boy is covering in one round. So the distance covered in one round is 88 meter. तो 88 मीटर जो हमारा पैरीमीटर है, देखिए फेस कवरिंग, देखिए उसने रेक्टेंगुलर ग्राउंड के 3 बार उसने रनिंग की, बट वी हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल डिस्टेंस. तो हम अब 3 बार इसको अलग अलग कैलकुलेट करने की बजाय, इफ वी कैलकुलेट जस्ट वन, if we can calculate the total distance that he is covering in just one round, that is 88 meters. So we can easily find the total distance that he is covering in 3 rounds. So distance covered in one round is 88 meter. Distance covered in 3 rounds, for that we will multiply it with 3, and that will be the, what will be that? That will be the distance he is covering in 3 rounds. Okay. That is distance covered in one round is equal to 88 meter. Distance covered in one round is equal to 88 meter, and we have to calculate the distance covered in 3 rounds. Because he has taken the 3 rounds of that rectangular field, so हमें निकालना है उसका total distance. So that means we have to find the total distance that he has covered in 3 rounds while taking 3 rounds. So distance covered in 3 rounds. ये हमें निकालना है. For that, what will we do? We will multiply 88 with 3. So we can easily multiply 88 with 3. So just multiply 88 with 3. 88 multiplied by 3. Okay. So 88 multiplied by 3. 8 3s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 3 8s are 24 plus 2, that is 26, that is 264. So 264 मीटर. तो देखिए the measurements जो sides के मीटर में दिए हैं, so we will find the answer also in the meter only. So this 264, what is it? So this 264 is the total measurement of the distance that he has covered while taking the 3 rounds of that rectangular field. Okay, so देखिए question में क्या दिया हुआ है? How much distance does he cover? So therefore he covers, the boy covers 264 meter. नीचे लिखेंगे therefore the boy has covered, therefore the boy has covered total distance, therefore the boy has covered the total distance of 264 meter. full stop. So this is the total distance that the boy has covered in 3 rounds. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 55 from chapter number 17 given at page number 196. Okay. So this was our today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a good day.